still have 2 match games to go.
Kawasuru nyakora mogi tim mar Tusker FC omedo timo ikruok ne tuke mar ariyo kata tuke mag ariyo mar laro simbo mar CECAFA makinyi gigocho gi tim mar Rayon Sports mar piny Rwanda. Tugono kiny nogoyo lap mar tuke ma Pele Stadium. Kocha mar timno Julian Met kod kapten Abudo Mar onyiso geno maduong' ahinya mar timo maber e tukego. Tusker nologo gonde 2-0 e tugo margi mokwongo e CECAFA ka gin gidhi e tukego kaka tim mogwel.
Our first game ambao tulifungwa, tumelearn a lot, so now it's time to rectify our mistakes. We had a lot of chances but hatukuzitumia. So right now I think tumeona hiyo mistakes, so any chance tukipata lazima tutufunge to end us, and then I think that's the only way ambao tunafaa survive from this group. A lot of players were motivated because tulijua kwamba game ya kwanza haitakuwa rahisi hivyo, but again we saw that ni sisi wenyewe ambao lose to focus.
The finishing was not accurate, so we have to improve on that, absolutely. But this is the most difficult in football, and that's why the strikers cost so much. So yeah, we have new players up front and wingers, so it's hard for them to play 100% of their game, physically, mentally, socially. They have to work.